The National Electrical Code, specifically the 2005 edition, will continue to include the uses permitted sections pertaining to cable wiring methods. An attempt to remove these sections was initiated and initially appeared to be on track for approval. However, during the public comment phase of the code revision process, a proposed deletion was reconsidered and ultimately rejected by a narrow margin. The retention of these uses permitted sections is significant for several reasons. Firstly, these sections provide explicit guidance on the acceptable applications and environments in which specific cable types can be installed. This clarity helps to ensure that electrical installations are performed in accordance with established safety standards and that the selected wiring methods are appropriate for the intended use. Secondly, the uses permitted sections serve as a valuable resource for electrical contractors, inspectors, and engineers. They offer a readily accessible reference point for determining the suitability of a particular cable type for a given application. This can save time and effort in researching code requirements and reduces the potential for misinterpretations. Thirdly, the uses permitted sections contribute to the overall consistency and uniformity of electrical installations. By providing clear guidelines on acceptable uses, they help to minimize variations in installation practices and ensure that all installations meet a minimum standard of safety and performance. Cable wiring methods encompass a wide range of cable types, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. Some common examples include non-metallic sheathed cable, often referred to as NM cable or Romex, armored cable, commonly known as AC cable or BX cable, and metallic sheathed cable, designated as MC cable. NM cable is typically used in residential wiring for branch circuits and feeders. It is suitable for dry locations and is commonly installed within walls, floors, and ceilings. AC cable provides a greater degree of physical protection compared to NM cable due to its metallic armor. It is often used in commercial and industrial applications where there is a higher risk of mechanical damage to the wiring. MC cable offers even greater protection than AC cable and is suitable for a wider range of applications, including wet locations and direct burial. The uses permitted sections of the National Electrical Code specify the conditions under which each of these cable types can be used. For example, the code may specify the types of buildings in which a particular cable type can be installed, the environmental conditions to which it can be exposed, and the types of occupancies it is permitted to serve. These restrictions are based on the cable's construction, its ability to withstand physical damage, its resistance to moisture and chemicals, and its overall safety characteristics. In addition to specifying the permitted uses of cable wiring methods, the National Electrical Code also addresses the installation requirements for these cables. These requirements cover a wide range of topics, including the proper support and securing of cables, the minimum bending radius for cables, the allowable opacity of cables, and the methods for terminating cables. The installation requirements are designed to ensure that cables are installed in a safe and reliable manner and that they will perform their intended function for the life of the installation. The National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards that governs the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology, industry practices, and safety concerns. The uses permitted sections for cable wiring methods are an important part of the code, and their retention in the 2005 edition is a positive development for the electrical industry. These sections provide valuable guidance on the acceptable applications of cable wiring methods and help to ensure that electrical installations are performed safely and in accordance with established standards. Understanding the requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code, including the uses permitted sections for cable wiring, is crucial for anyone involved in electrical work. This knowledge helps to ensure safety, compliance, and the long-term reliability of electrical systems. Failure to adhere to the code can result in serious consequences, including electrical shocks, fires, and property damage. Therefore, it is essential to stay informed about the latest code updates and to follow all applicable requirements when installing or maintaining electrical wiring. The uses permitted sections are important because they delineate precisely where certain wiring methods are acceptable. Consider, for example, the use of non-metallic sheathed cable, or NM cable, in dwelling units. The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 334.10, outlines the permitted uses of NM cable. It generally allows NM cable to be used in 1- and 2-family dwellings, as well as multifamily dwellings. However, there are limitations. NM cable cannot be used in damp or wet locations, nor can it be exposed to physical damage. This means that NM cable would not be suitable for direct burial underground, or for use in a car wash. Now let's contrast that with armored cable or AC cable. Section 320.10 of the National Electrical Code addresses the permitted uses of AC cable. AC cable offers greater physical protection than NM cable due to its metallic sheath. As a result, AC cable can be used in locations where NM cable is prohibited, such as in some commercial settings or where subject to moderate physical stress. However, like NM cable, AC cable is generally not permitted in wet or continuously damp locations unless it is specifically listed for such use. Then we have metal-clad cable, or MC cable. MC cable's permitted uses are described in Section 330.10 of the National Electrical Code. MC cable offers a higher level of protection and versatility compared to both NM and AC cables. MC cable can be used in a broader range of applications, including some direct burial and wet location installations, provided it is specifically listed and marked for those uses. The specific markings on the cable jacket will indicate whether it is suitable for these more demanding environments. The National Electrical Code also provides guidance on the proper installation methods for these various cable types. For example, Section 314.17 covers the securing and supporting of cables. It specifies the maximum intervals at which cables must be supported, typically every 4.5 feet, and the distance from boxes or fittings where cables must be secured, usually within 12 inches. These requirements ensure that the cables are properly supported and protected from physical damage. Another critical aspect of cable installation is ampacity, which refers to the current carrying capacity of a conductor. The National Electrical Code provides ampacity tables in Article 310 that specify the allowable ampacities for different conductor sizes and insulation types under various conditions. It's essential to select the appropriate conductor size for the intended load to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. The uses permitted sections are not just about where a cable can be used, but also where cannot be used. These restrictions are just as important for safety. For instance, using NM cable in a wet location would be a violation of the National Electrical Code and could create a significant electrical hazard. The conductors could corrode, leading to a short circuit or ground fault. Similarly, using a cable type that is not rated for direct burial underground could result in premature failure of the cable due to moisture and soil conditions. In addition to the specific cable types mentioned above, there are numerous other wiring methods covered by the National Electrical Code, each with its own set of permitted uses and installation requirements. These include electrical metallic tubing, or IMT, rigid metal conduit, or RMC, liquid tight flexible metal conduit, or LFMC, and many others. Each wiring method is designed for specific applications and environments, and it's crucial to select the appropriate wiring method for the intended use. The National Electrical Code is not just a set of rules, it's a comprehensive system designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The uses permitted sections are a vital component of this system, providing clear guidance on the safe and proper application of various wiring methods. By understanding and adhering to these requirements, electrical professionals can help to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations. The National Electrical Code is updated on a 3-year cycle, ensuring that it remains current with technological advancements and evolving safety standards. It is important to stay informed about the latest changes to the code and to continuously update your knowledge and skills to ensure compliance with the latest requirements. Many resources are available to help electrical professionals stay up to date on the National Electrical Code, including training courses, seminars, and online resources. The International Association of Electrical Inspectors, or IE, is a valuable resource for electrical professionals, providing education, certification, and networking opportunities. The IE also plays a significant role in the development and interpretation of the National Electrical Code. Many local jurisdictions also offer training and resources on the National Electrical Code. Your local building department or electrical inspection agency can provide information on code requirements and training opportunities in your area. It is also important to consult with qualified electrical professionals when planning or performing electrical work. A licensed electrician can help you to select the appropriate wiring methods and ensure that your electrical installation complies with all applicable requirements. The National Electrical Code is a complex and ever-evolving document. It requires careful study and ongoing education to fully understand and apply its provisions. By investing in your knowledge and skills, you can help to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems and protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. Remember that the uses permitted sections are just one part of the National Electrical Code. It is essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the entire code to ensure compliance and safety. The code covers a wide range of topics, including grounding, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, equipment installation, and special occupancies. Each of these areas has its own set of requirements that must be followed to ensure a safe and reliable electrical installation.